Hello, this is Mr. Tech Daily, and today I'm going to unbox this drone known as Eachine E58. This is a camera drone and also very affordable, so I've decided to review this one. Here we can see all the features written on the box: SD cam, Wi-Fi, 360 flip mode, and lights. Let's check the back side. So it just shows the picture of our drone. It also says that it is for age 14 plus. So this is also known as pocket drone. Let's unbox it. It'll open from the side. So here we have our box. Manual on the top side. So here's our manual. Let's keep it aside. So here we have charger, USB cable, spare propellers, and a screwdriver. Here's our micro drone. It's very small drone. It's not that big, but it looks like a DJI Mavic Pro clone. So we can unfold it now. Oh, I'm doing it wrong way. We should unfold the first one and then the back one. Yes, like this. So we have unfolded it now, and this looks great. Like it's pure copy of DJI Mavic. There are only few things that looks unfamiliar, but if you look away from far, it just looks like a DJI Mavic. So let's check out the battery first. I'm gonna take out my battery on this drone. So here is this battery. As we can see the battery here, it is 500 mAh battery, and it's removable battery, so you can also buy more batteries for this drone. So here's our battery, and I'm gonna put it inside our drone. Now this battery takes around an hour to charge it completely. When you're charging it via your laptop or computer, it takes a bit more. If you use your mobile charger, it will be faster. So let's see what else is there. We have our remote control. Here we have a lot of controls. These modes are for trimming, and this one is for takeoff, and this second one is for automatic landing. This is also for trimming for forward and backward. This one is left for trimming, and this is one is right trimming, and this is for left trimming. So we have also got some fake antennas here. Please note that they do not actually work. They are just for show off, just to make it look similar. I'm gonna turn it on now. Here you can see I've turned it on. Now I'm gonna turn out my but first let's check out our other things in our box. So we have some propeller guards here, which are not that good because it's not that easy to fix them in. When I tried to fix them in, they actually came out when I was flying it. As you can see here, I'm trying to attach this propeller guard here, and it's not easy. It's very useless. So I'm not gonna use these propeller guards for now because they look really useless. Now I'm gonna check our manual. Here's our it's very big manual. I think that this manual is also written in other languages. That's why this is the big one. So it's quite big one. Now let's have a look at our drone. Gonna start it and see. Here's our drone. I'm gonna start it. Also we have a camera here. You can actually tilt the camera downwards, but you have to do it manually. So let's bring it to our default position. Now I'm gonna switch it on. Here's we have our button to switch it on. Yeah, right, like this. So this one looks really good. We have two lights here. One is red, one is for backside, and these front lights are white lights, and they look good. So I'm gonna fly it now and see how it goes. Let's go. So I'm going to fly the drone now. So here's our remote control, and I'm going to calibrate it now. Calibration is very easy. What you have to do is bring those two down like this, and yes, as you can see, the lights are blinking. So I'm gonna fly it now. I'm gonna use our auto takeoff button. So let's go. So is this drone worth the price? Yes, this drone is very affordable, and best thing is that it is camera. The camera records in video in 720p video, so which is the good one. You can also download the app for live video, and best thing is that that you can actually fly it very easier. You have altitude hold feature in it, which allows you to fly without any problem. So even the beginners can fly this. They don't even need the practice for it. So this is actually a very nice clone that I have ever seen this, which is a bit nearer to Mavic Pro. So I would recommend you to buy this drone. since this is very affordable for you and so that you can practice a lot before buying a real DJI Mavic. So I will also drop the link in description so that you can buy it from there. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Mr. Tech Daily.